Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring power and proximity. Charge the case and AirPods to about 50% because low battery blocks pairing. Once done, turn Bluetooth on and move other Bluetooth devices away to reduce interference. Open the lid with AirPods inside and keep them near your phone. Press and hold the setup button on the case until the status light flashes. This clears old pair states and signals the Gen 2 unit is ready to connect. Now you move to the device. When the white flash appears, watch for the iPhone setup animation or open Settings Bluetooth and tap your AirPods. If they don't show, forget any old AirPods entries and restart Bluetooth or toggle airplane mode to clear radio congestion. This forces a fresh scan. Make sure your phone's OS is current because firmware mismatches can block pairing. If the case light never shows, charge for 10 to 15 minutes, then try the button sequence again. Finish by performing a full AirPods reset. With the lid open, hold the case setup button about 15 seconds until the light cycles amber then white. This erases pairing data so you can start fresh. After resetting, reconnect using the standard pairing flow and test audio. If problems persist, try pairing to a different phone to determine if the issue is the AirPods or your device. As a final troubleshooting tip, reset your phone's network settings to remove stubborn Bluetooth configuration conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.